Hello, today I'm going to be walking you through this lab a little bit, or at least part of this lab today, in order for you to kind of understand the concept behind what I want you to do for the assignment. So we're looking at paramecium. Paramecium are really small creatures, generally live in aquatic environments, okay? If you go to this link, you will get to this website, okay? Following the directions down. We are going to be looking again at how paramecium, the species, interact with one another and how they interact in their own little environment, okay? So first thing I need to do is add some stuff. Let me get rid of some sound. That's just a little unnecessary. So I'm going to add the paramecium to the test tubes here. If you follow along in the directions a little bit, you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm adding this Paramecium caudatum to test tubes 2 and 3 and Paramecium aureolea to test tube 1 and 3. Okay, so now I've got that. All right, so now I've got my test tubes filled with the correct paramecium. Okay, I want to look at this under the microscope. Okay, again, following the directions along. If you have this sheet open, you can kind of see I filled test tube 3 and clicked on the microscope. Now I need to put these paramecium on step 5 here onto clean microscope slides and look at seeing how many paramecium there are in each test tube. So I need a clean microscope slide. You need to take a sample. Now they're loaded up. You can drag that first sample, and I see that I have one paramecium on my slide, right? And what am I looking at? I'm looking right there. That's the paramecium. This number here just indicates the slide I'm looking at, okay? So on day 1, I have one Paramecium aureolea. I look at slide number 2. I have one Paramecium caudatum. And in slide number 3, remember this is the one I added both paramecium to. So I look and I see I have one caudatum and one aureolea. Okay, so in that test tube, I have one of each. Awesome. Okay. Now what I can do is I can clear slides, click on my calendar and go to day 2, get some more clean slides, take a sample. And again, how am I going to do this? I looked at the directions here. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. And we'll be filling out this table kind of as we go. I'll be giving you some data for that. So again, look at slide number 1. A lot more growth. So P. aureolea now, I can turn this grid on. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So it grew quite a bit. Slide 2 with the P caudatum has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also 6. Very cool. The third slide, which again was both of them grown together. Yeah, slow down here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 caudatum, and 1, 2, 3, 4 aureolea. Okay. Clear slides. Calendar day 4. Get some slides. Take a sample. Put the microscopes on and just kind of keep repeating this over and over. A lot more aureolea here. All of a sudden I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 26. 26 there. Go to slide number 2. Caudatum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And slide number 3, which had both of them. A lot more here. Let's count the caudatum first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And count the aureolea next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So both increased. Okay. And so what I'm going to keep doing over and over and over is that process. Okay. Clicking on the calendar, day 6, and so on and so forth until I eventually fill up this entire data table. We need to go to day 16. Okay. So I'll be gathering the data for you, and you can kind of see, or at least now you know that process to what I was doing. Okay. We'll finish up the lab now.